Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and once again I have a few more temple mandir designs for you. When we talk about temple and home mandir or designer mandir, wooden temples, temple for your home, we have got a huge range. In fact, the biggest range anywhere across the globe, if you will find at Aarsun. Our website, aarsunwoods.com, there's a section for temples, and you'll find hundreds of designs there in different colors, sizes, patterns, according to puja traditions, North Indian style, South Indian style, and going across the globe, not just India, but every part of the world. Sanatanis live everywhere across the globe and they want a home temple, a mandir for their deities, for their Bhagwan. And we make the wooden temples in desired sizes, colors, patterns, and most importantly, Vastu compliant units and as per puja tradition. I explained it earlier also several times in most of the videos that are on YouTube, around 1400 videos and I think 200 videos of only temples we have on YouTube itself. Now here we have three units. All three units are made in teak wood. This one is regular teak finish, honey gloss color. This one is mahogany, again gloss, and this one is walnut gloss finish. Gloss, matte, half matte, that means semi matte or gloss, semi gloss you can call also. As per requirement we do it. Colors again as per requirement. The last point is about the puja tradition. First thing is how we pray. We are standing and praying or we are sitting and praying. Accordingly, the platform is customized. So in this one, we have a 2 feet platform. Here we have a little lower platform and this one is a lower platform as according to the client's requirement. This one is one of the most favorite designs when we have photo frames. When we don't have actual idols for photo frames, we can put on the wall. This one is quite liked model, and even if we have a statue, a single statue, this one also works fine. The overall design has got two pillar shaped sides. We have a platform and a gopuram on the top, and this one has got brass bales on the top as the client required. The size, I'll just confirm, this one is 42 inches left to right. The platform is 18 inches deep. Total height is 6.5 feet, and this platform from the ground is 10 inches. The middle area we have here is 46 inches from the platform to this point, so that is the clear area. Thickness of this part is, let me check from this side, 4 inches thick, this part. So the pillar, carving and the gopuram design. One of the quite liked models. And you may have seen Lord Balaji statue placed in these kind of temples. This one is a huge temple, a quite big one. And again, as per the client's requirement, size, I'll check. This one is 5 feet left to right. Platform height 20 inches from the ground. This has got three diya trays, three separate diya trays. Then we have drawers, 1, 2, 3. And then we have cabinets. So 3 cabinets, 3 drawers, 3 diya trays. Then we have steps. These are the steps, and these are removable steps, one over the other. So if you want it, you can put them. If you don't want it, you can remove them. Then the overall design with the elephant pillar, peacock on the top, then a beautiful gopuram on the top, Hanumanji and Garudji sitting right above, and Shanku Chakra Tika. Another auspicious thing to have in our home temples, home mandir. Front to back, this temple is 24 inches, 2 feet deep. The total height of the temple is close to 8.5 feet, a little higher. The platform from the ground, this part is 20 inches. From the platform to this part is 5 feet. So we have a 5 feet clear area in the middle. This is a huge temple as per the client's requirement, and we have made bigger units than this as well. You can see that on the website, 8 feet, 10 feet units also we have made. And this one is a modified version of our temple number 240. This is 42 inches left to right. We have made this one higher. 2 feet is the platform height from the ground. Total height we have here is 5.5 feet, and front to back, this is 20 inches. It's a collapsible unit, and we have got a big bhog tray here. Then we have got drawers and two cabinets on this unit. Apart from that, we have got steps inside and the shelves as the client required. Then we have ohm and brass bells. If you want brass bells in any unit, let us know. We'll put there. And the gopuram, beautiful gopuram on the top. So a few models from the South Indian style, and we have a lot of North Indian style temples as well. You want kalash shape, you want without kalash. All these models are on the website already. So requirement is yours, sizes are yours. The colors you can choose. You want a natural finish, you want it in white, just like marble finish, satin white, we do that. You want gold leafing, we do that. We want silver leafing, we do that. And if you want it in gold or silver or rose gold or triple shade, dual shade, we have done all these colors already. Let us know what you want, we'll make that and deliver to your home across the globe, right to your doorstep at factory prices. We make it, you receive it. So the best prices are always from the factory itself. Tell us your requirement, select the design, let us know what you want. Let us make a temple for your deities, for your Bhagwan, for your Ishwar, and make it as beautiful as your home is. In fact, better, more beautiful than your home, your God's home. Any questions, any queries you have, the number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.